In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur the background of a photo in Canva. Whether you're brand new or more experienced, this simple technique adds a professional touch and really helps your subject stand out. Let's dive right in. First, open your design project in Canva. Once it's loaded, click on the photo background you want to modify. Selecting the right layer is important. This makes sure you only blur the background and not the whole design. When the background is selected, you'll notice a menu appear at the top. Click on Edit to open Canva's editing tools. Inside the editing tools, look for the option labeled Blur. This is what lets you soften your background and guide focus to your subject. Now you've got two ways to apply blur. The first is with the blur brush, where you paint over specific areas for precision. This is useful if you only want part of the background blurred. The second method is to blur the entire image, creating a soft focus effect across the whole background. Once you've chosen your method, you can adjust the intensity. Use the slider to increase or decrease the blur. A lighter blur adds subtle depth, while a stronger blur creates a dramatic, softened background. And that's it. You've learned how to blur photo backgrounds in Canva. It's a quick way to give your images a polished, professional look. Try experimenting with different photos and blur levels until you find what feels right. Thanks for watching and happy designing.